YakBack Pack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Backpack. Look at my spooky, haunted barn. That barn is full of ghosts. What do ghosts say? The ghost says, boo, boo. Ghosts say boo. Oh, but it's a pig. The ghost was really a pig. What do pigs say? Pigs say oink, oink, oink. The pig says oink. It wasn't really a ghost. It's a pig, so it says oink. Oh, let's get another ghost from our haunted barn. The ghost says, boo, boo, boo. The ghost says, boo. Oh, but it's not really a ghost. It's what is it? It's a duck. It was really a duck. The duck says, quack, quack. The duck says, quack, quack, quack. Ooh, we found another ghost. It says, boo. The ghost says, boo, boo, boo. Ghosts say, boo. Oh, but it wasn't really a ghost. It was the farmer pretending to be a ghost. The farmer says, hi, hi. The farmer says, hi, welcome to my barn. Hi, farmer. Let's see another ghost from our haunted barn. The ghost says, boo. What does the ghost say? It says, boo, boo. Oh, but it wasn't a ghost, it's a horse. What do horses say? Neigh, neigh, neigh. Horses say neigh, neigh, neigh. Okay, let's pick another ghost. Do you remember what ghosts say? What do they say? That's right, they say boo. Oh, but it was really a goat. What do goats say? Nah, 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 nah. Goats say nah. There's the goat. Here's another ghost. It says boo, boo, boo. The ghost says boo. Oh, but it's really a chicken. What do chickens say? That's right. Chickens say bok, bok, bok. Bok, 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 bok. Bok, bok, bok. Bok, bok. Chickens say bok. Oh, here's a ghost. Ghosts say boo, boo, boo. Oh, but it was really a sheep. What do sheep say? Sheep say ba, ba, ba. Sheep say ba, ba. One ghost left. Do you remember what ghosts say? They say, boo, boo, boo. Oh, but it's really a cow. What do cows say? Cows say, moo, moo, moo. Cows say, moo. Oh, it wasn't really a haunted barn. It was just a bunch of animals pretending to be ghosts. Thanks for coming. Bye-bye.
YakBack.